Connecticut is well known for many things, including having so many insurance companies that we're called the insurance capital of the world, when in fact, we should be called the aerospace capital of the world. Now, you might be thinking, aerospace? Connecticut? What's the connection there? Well, allow me to blow your mind. Did you know that 32,400 people in Connecticut are employed by aerospace firms? That is the #1 most per capita in the entire US. And 25% of every airplane engine is built here. This small state is home to major aerospace manufacturers like Collins Aerospace, Pratt & Whitney, Kaman Aerospace, and Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. These companies have a global reach, and they're top dogs in aerospace and defense worldwide, bringing billions in annual defense contracts in 2022. Did you know that?
No, I didn't actually.
Sick. We're about to find out some more stuff. This is Made Here, Episode 1, powered by the state of Connecticut. But if we're really gonna appreciate Connecticut's aerospace dominance, we'll need to appreciate the people who set the stage for Connecticut's aviation prowess.
Let's take a look at a few of the companies that set the sky as the limit. Located in beautiful Windsor Locks, Collins Aerospace is responsible for some notable fashion you might just recognize.
Remember Neil Armstrong's small step in 1969?
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
His spacesuit was made by Collins Aerospace, where they specialize in advanced avionics systems and components. But most importantly, where they do things for space. Specifically, Collins created the portable life support system for the Apollo spacesuits, like the ones used by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in Apollo 11, but also providing the communication between Armstrong and us on Earth. That's one small step for man and one giant leap for Connecticut. But how's that? Well, Collins was just awarded the contract to provide spacesuits for the new Artemis missions, which will be the first moon landing since Apollo 17 in 1972. These suits will be safely returning humankind from the moon and prepping us for missions to Mars. Mars! How do you feel about Mars?
Crazy travel.
Why?
Launching into the skies here are several engineering masterpieces. From a multi-purpose utility vehicle to medium-range twin-jet airliners running at mind-boggling thrust forces and... Wait, are those Pratt & Whitney engines? Let's take a closer look. Well, of course, because those engines, from turboprop to turbofan, are made here in Connecticut.
Pratt & Whitney revolutionized aircraft engine design, setting new standards for performance and efficiency. A global leader in designing, manufacturing, and servicing aircraft engines. They're responsible for making engines like the GTF, the F-135, and the V-2500. With the GTF being the newest innovation, reducing fuel consumption by 16%. The F-135 powering the F-35 Lightning II, our latest and greatest fighter aircraft. And the V-2500 powering the Airbus A320, a common plane that you've probably flown on.
And going from the common airliner to the origin of what is now a common, everyday object.
Kaman Aerospace Corporation flew the first unmanned helicopter in 1953, creating the first drone.
A helicopter drone, where radio signals have replaced the need for a pilot, has been developed by the command company.
Their superpower is using advanced composite manufacturing techniques to create lightweight and durable components. The coolest thing is they made the unmanned aerial vehicle. So check out Cargo with a K, the UAV that fits in a regular cargo container and with just 2 people can be deployed in minutes. And who can forget Igor Sikorsky, the aviation genius behind the world's first practical helicopter. Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation, the badasses of the aerospace industry. Sikorsky's operations involve the design, engineering, and production of helicopter components for military and commercial uses. They make the storied Black Hawk helicopter, which is famous for transporting an 11-person team in virtually any condition safely, as well as the White House's helicopter of choice for Marine One, the Sikorsky VH-3D Sea King. These brilliant minds sparked a legacy that continued to thrive in Connecticut. Today, we're seeing modern-day manufacturing wizards using the latest technologies like 3D printing, advanced materials, and groundbreaking engineering technique to create components that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient than ever before. why you should join the aerospace adventure.
You're obviously a fan.
Dude. Working in the aerospace industry is like working with the Avengers of manufacturing. Picture this. You're in a state-of-the-art aerospace facility, surrounded by mind-blowing machines and equipment. It's like being in Tony Stark's workshop, minus the Iron Man suit and the actual Avengers. But it's just wickedly talented people who turn raw materials into machines that defy gravity. Connecticut's aerospace industry is elite with
Rich history, state-of-the-art facilities, and a workforce of talented people.
Basically, Connecticut is one giant melting pot of talent, where people from all walks of life come together to create something extraordinary. Whether you dream of being an engineer, a technician, or part of the vibrant support network. In Connecticut's aerospace industry, you'll be working with passionate professionals who are pushing boundaries, breaking records, and shaping the future of aviation. So if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career in the aerospace industry, this 48th smallest state probably has a job with your name on it, because you can't fly without Connecticut. And it's made here.
Make something incredible. Find a career or find training in manufacturing within our great state. Check out manufacturing.ct.gov. Link below.
Or, if you haven't already, become a CT manufacturing ambassador like me at mfgambassador.com. Thanks. This has been Javi. See you next time.